एक्वा मेगा महोत्सव हो बिझनेस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीन बदलपाची काळाची गरज आसा म्हण मुखेलमंत्री बेरेस्तारा उलयला। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झेल रॉड्रिगेज।
Ultimately, this festival should get converted into business opportunity.
Okay.
I think over a period it will mature into that.
As party president of Goa Forward and as a colleague of the fisheries minister, I support and fully endorse his decision to have a LED and bull trawling ban in the state of Goa. This decision, this stand of our party, is a pro-conservation step to conserve the aquatic life. This has been endorsed by the central government, and this LED ban and bull trawling ban has been extended all over the country. It is also considered as a progressive measure by a progressive nation. So all said and done, I don't find anything wrong in the fisheries minister's this step, and I think this is one singular step which has affected certain people.
Okay.
So whenever you are going to change the status quo, certain people are going to be affected, and there is going to be some reaction. Only thing, this reaction yesterday is a very belated reaction, and it has been timed to try to make this festival into a flop. And I don't think it is succeeding, because you are also here for the festival, otherwise you wouldn't have been here. The whole issue is that certain vested interests are affected by a decision taken by the fisheries minister. Now they have taken also objection. They have raised objection about certain other things like his decision to say that I'm going to stop the subsidy, and I'm going to put some tax on export. See, these are not decisions that have been taken. He only said that it was part of the realm of his thought, his thought process. So I don't think anybody has to jump the gun. Why should he jump the gun when there is no decision taken?